Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can resize the page of your pages of your document in a CorelDRAW application. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to your document in CorelDRAW, and of course you can create a new one by clicking into File in the top left, select New, and then go through the page setup and resize it there. But what if you already have a document open and you would like to resize the current one? Well, you can do that as well. Make sure that the document is open here in a new tab. And what you want to do next, guys, is you may, for example, change the paper type here from A4 to A5, for instance, or leather, or any of these. You can also go through these page dimensions here and increase them, as you can see, the width or the height. So you can also enter the value here if you like. And that's basically it. You can change the units, measurement units here to millimeters, and you will see the page width and height displayed in millimeters. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.